guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning the bathroom. It's been a while since I deep cleaned. I actually haven't really deep cleaned this bathroom since I did my last bathroom neglected spots video. So today I'm going to say star cleaners are just going to be Barkeeper's Friend powdered matched with a magic eraser, and this will get all the grime out of my tub. And my tile needs to be redone in the shower, so I'm just trying to be gentle with it. So I'm just going to use Dawn Blue in a rag. Just to get all the yucky stuff off of there. And we're just gonna deep clean, so let's get into it. I was also sure to include what actually happens when I put clothes in the little magic window in the wall, which is what a lot of you have referred to it as. It's actually a laundry chute, and it goes down all the way to the basement into the near the washing area. It's just like a little wall tunnel that I like to call it, and it just takes the laundry down there. So now you know where everything's going.
Lay awake until the morning in an ocean so deep. Got a feeling like I'm dauntless whenever you're next to me. 'Cause I've climbed higher than I could dream of. Now using wires, I know I'm falling free. You set me off into emotion where I can just be me. You give a little, but you're giving me just what I need. No time for riddles, you're in the middle of my self-release. You have unchained me. You have
Turned around and thought this was a spider and almost had a heart attack. What the heck? Okay, now I'm just gonna add some Barkeeper's Friend to this. And yeah, scrub it.
from a distance, yeah. 'Cause I'm up higher than planes could take me. I have acquired everything I need. You set me off into emotion, oh yeah, where I can just be free. You give a little, but you're giving me just what I need. No time for riddles, you're in the middle of my self-release. You have unchained me. You have you have unchained me. You have oh yeah, yeah. I don't spend time thinking about what could go wrong. I deal with them one at a time. I'm holding my head up. You give a little, but you're giving me just what I need. No time for riddles, you're in the middle of my self-release. 'Cause you have unchained me. You have yeah. You have unchained me.
was definitely a sticker up here, and I pulled one off, and it pulled a spot off, so I'm very upset. Very upset.
Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. I wanna make you like a movie star. You try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too trying to impress me, but I don't care about your Rolex or your credit card. Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again, again, again. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. I wanna make you like a movie star. You try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. Trying to buy me drinks and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm